Bag up some fun with this Farmer's Market Stencil Tote Bag project from designerstencils.com. First, spray the backside of your stencil with Repositionable Spray Adhesive. Next, add a small amount of fabric medium to your Americana acrylic paint and blend completely. Position your stencil and add some frog tape painter's tape to help secure it. After thoroughly soaking the bristles, remove excess paint from the brush by swirling it on a stack of paper towels. Apply the paint by swirling the brush through the stencil. Continue adding light coats until the color is full and even. Once finished, simply peel away the stencil to reveal your stylish new bag. Repeat the stenciling process for any additional bags. For more tips and ideas, visit designerstencils.com today.